Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sukara. This time we are going to discuss a case law of defamation which has become sensational in the entire United States of America because both the plaintiff and defendant were previously wife and husband. Both of them are celebrities, cinema people. That's why it has become a sensational issue. On 2nd June 2022, the judgment has been delivered by the jury consisting of 7 persons in Virginia, Fairfax County. They are given the judgment. Here, who won the case? This is a big question mark because the husband, Johny Depp, D-E-P-P, you may know him. He was the hero in the very famous film, The Pirates of the Caribbean Sea. He filed a case against his ex-wife, Amber Heard, claiming almost 100 million damages since she has given an interview in Washington Post or Mail or something, defaming him. And actually, she filed another defamation case against him. Now, the jury awarded 10 million plus 5 million punitive costs, 15 million dollars as damages to Johny Depp, the hero, and 2 millions to his wife, the heroine, Amber Heard. So, both of them had to pay. Of course, only the variance is only in the number of currency notes or dollars. But why this thing happened? In USA, maybe knowing they will give much more value for the human rights. In fact, we adopted Chapter 3, that is fundamental rights from the United States of America's Constitution only. There also, it came as an amendment. Fundamental rights, they came as an amendment. Even judicial review, So, Mulberry versus Madison, Mulberry versus Madison. It's the first case for judicial review. So, everything comes from USA. Anyway, definitely we can adopt if it is a good thing. Now, the Virginia County jury, they holds Johny Depp and Amber Heard liable for defamation of each other. This is the headline. So, Amber Heard, she has to pay 15 millions to Johny Depp, whereas Johny Depp has to pay $2 million to his wife, Amber Heard. So now, the question is who won the case? So for that, you have to know the details of the case. So, both of them were married in the year 2016. You may be knowing in 2018 itself, they were divorced. So, during the year 2018, I think she has given an interview to Washington Post stating that she is a public figure subjected to domestic abuse. She leveled allegations that even though she is a public figure, she was subjected to domestic violence. So, this has raised the issue. Ultimately, matter went for divorce and both of them claimed damages of defamation. You may be knowing what is defamation. Defamation can be taken as a tort, can be taken as a civil suit, can be taken as a criminal case also. So here they have taken it as a civil case because $100 million defamation. So in India, you can take criminal action under Section 500 of the Indian Penal Code. So please remember, everybody has got a right to fame under Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Likewise, same thing in America also. A right to freedom of speech may be there, but it should not hurt the sentiments of the other party. This is what is held in the case of Amber Heard. No doubt she has got every right to freedom of speech, but her lawyer, one of her lawyers, she abused. Actually, she has literally libeled against Mr. Johny Depp, saying that he is a wife beater or something like that. I think in United Kingdom also some defamation suit has been filed again by Johny Depp against a pressman, as that man also stated that he was a wife beater, right? So this is the story. So it was a 6-week trial by the jury. So my family members in USA, they followed. Even my grandson also, he knows the development of the case. Actually, on 2nd June, while leaving for USA, he said both of them were fined. Now I have to study the case and I have to inform you that both of them were fined. Of course, only the degree or the amount is varying. Right? One of the Johnny Depp's lawyers defamed the so-called Amber Heard. So therefore, they have to pay compensation to Amber Heard. And already Johnny Depp filed a case of defamation against Amber Heard. For that, she has to pay 100. Of course, he claimed for $100 million, but awarded $15 million. సో సూక్ష్మంగా భార్య భర్త తగాదా, ఒకళ్ళొకళ్ళు పేపర్లో ఎక్కారు. పేపర్లు ఎక్కిన తర్వాత ఇది తప్పు అన్న భర్త ఒప్పుకోలేదు, దాని మీద గొడవ అయింది. అల్టిమేట్గా ఒకళ్ళ మీద ఒకళ్ళు కేసు వేసుకున్నారు. యాక్చువల్గా జానీ డెప్ అని ఆయన వెరీ ఫేమస్ హీరో, చాలా సినిమాల్లో కూడా ఉన్నాడు అతను $100 million భార్య మీద వేశారు. భార్య ఆ ట్రయల్ టైంలో భార్యని కొంచెం కించపరుస్తూ జానీ డెప్ లాయరు మాట్లాడాడు కాబట్టి జానీ డెప్ హ్యాస్ టు పే $2 million to her, whereas she has to pay $15 million to him. సో ఇదన్నమాట. సో యాక్చువల్గా 2016లో ఈ గొడవ మ్యారేజ్ అయిన రోజులు ఒకసారి ఏదో గొడవ అయింది. ఆ గొడవ అయినప్పుడు యాక్చువల్లీ ఈ రఫ్డ్ హర్ అప్, ఆవిడని కొట్టాడు. దాని మీద షీ కాల్డ్ ద పోలీస్ కేమ్. అఫ్ కోర్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెండ్ ఇన్ హాలీవుడ్లో జరిగింది. సో హాలీవుడ్లో జరిగినప్పుడు పోలీసులు వచ్చారు, చూశారు, పెద్ద మెటీరియల్ లేదు కాబట్టి దే వార్న్ హిమ్ అండ్ వెంట అవే. నెక్స్ట్ టైం, సెకండ్ టైం షీ హాజ్ ప్లేస్డ్ సమ్ వైన్, అక్కడ వైన్ పారబోసి ఏదో గొడవ చేసింది నేను ఎలిగేషన్, అది నిజమో తెలియదు. ఒకళ్ళ మీద ఒకళ్ళు కేసు పెట్టుకున్నారు. అల్టిమేట్లీ ఇట్ రిజల్టెడ్ ఇన్ compensation to both of them. So this is ultimately the result. Now who has won, you have to tell. That's all. సో ఏదైనా సరే ఇన్ ఇండియన్ ఎంటిటీ భార్య భర్త ఒకటే, కానీ ఇతర దేశాల్లో అలా కాదు. ఇప్పుడు కూడా మారిపోతున్నాయి. భార్య భర్త మీద కూడా కేసు పెట్టవచ్చును, డొమెస్టిక్ వైలెన్సే కాదు. సో నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో ఆ కేసు ఏంటో చెప్తాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.